Somali people is crazy, yeah? They love to be part of it, but there's no like understanding of that professionalism. The stadium is packed. People start flying all over the world to come watch. I swear to God.
Okay.
The next day, there was no seating room. You can't breathe.
Yeah.
They open up 2 doors on each side. So the wind can come in.
Yeah.
Oh, I couldn't breathe. Fourth quarter, we played Kenya. Fourth quarter, I swear to God, I was seeing stars. You know, like the cartoon? It was so humid, so hot. We had, this is the crazy part, we had slap of water, like you know, bottles of water. So we drink it. Some dude comes sit on the coach's seat and just chilling. He's telling the coach, move out of the way. It is wild. And then as I'm drinking the water, it was probably the last bottle. Some guy comes next to me and just, I drink it, go like this. Guy grabs my bottle, start drinking. I was like, give it here. He goes, why? I'm thirsty too. I'm like, I'm playing the game.
He's got no idea.
No